In this video, I'll show you how to update your delivery address in the Doordash app. So let's get started. First, open the Doordash app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app opens, tap on your current delivery address at the top of the home screen. Now, tap Search for a new address and enter your new delivery address. Select the correct address from the search results. Next, choose the address type such as house, apartment, hotel, office, or other. If needed, adjust the delivery pin on the map to make sure it's placed at the exact location. You can also add delivery instructions such as your apartment number, entry code, billing name, or any other details to help the Dasher find you. After that, tap Save Address. The new address will now be set as your delivery location, and you'll see restaurants that deliver to that area. If you no longer need your previous address, tap the edit icon next to it, then tap the trash icon at the top to delete it. And that's it.